Hi folks, G3 here. Today we are at the Weald and Downland Museum near Chichester. You may well recognise it as we're going around as the backdrop to the BBC TV programme The Repair Shop. They use one of the barns here as the facility where they make all those wonderful repairs. The key thing about here is they've got lots of old working buildings from farming, so blacksmiths, cottages and old water mills, and rebuilt them here, and they've got working examples as to how those buildings would have been operating in the past. So we're looking forward to having a look around. Each of the buildings they've got recreated here is just a little bit of an explanation as to what this is, and this is the Pendean farmhouse, originally from Midhurst, Sussex.
So that's a salady thing. You're welcome to try if you want, because it is edible.
Ringing those parts.
And we've also bacon bread. I'll leave you bread rolls. So one of the things goody is salt cod, and this is a salad of salt cod with garlic, oil and parsley.
Very nice.
Nice number.
Oh,
Right?
yes please, thank you.
You want to try?
Oh yes please.
Okay, right.
Oh, thank you.
Garlic.
Thank you very much. So it's actual garlic, it's not the wild.
Oh no, it isn't. Big garlic.
Oh, nice.
What does it say about that? It's, onions and leeks, because onions are honey in it or salt in it. Basically, that's the added ingredient that I decided on.
Tudor soup. Yeah, more than enough, thank you.
Okay, right.
It's not bad.
Not bad.
This one's a bakehouse, so they're going to be baking in there. We'll go and have a look in.
That's the big oven door, gaping oven door there. You can't really see very much, it's just a black hole at the minute.
It smells nice.
But it's 7 foot deep and 5 foot wide. It's size of your double bed in there. When you're doing a wood firing, they would only fire it up the once. So you needed a very big oven to bake enough for the whole village in maybe 2 batches from that one firing.
Too close to it because they might be doing some filming, but that's where all occurs, all the repair shop. From 1771, from Hambrook, Sussex, but it's also the family-friendly play area that they've got here at the moment. We're in the Hambrook barn, which they've got as a children's play area. This used to be a threshing barn where they go and thresh the corn and then store it, but they've got it set up as a children's play area. Didn't go so well, but let's try a big one. So you got one as it came back up. That was better. Well done. Your first attempt at Skittles. This one's an old treadmill. Somebody would have been in there working away, travelling in one direction to raise it and the other direction to lower it. I assumed that it might have been grain or water. demonstrating how far out the roots are likely to go underneath the canopy of the tree above. I reckon this is a good tree for owls to be in overnight. What we have here is a timber crane used for lifting, made out of wood, and on this side we've got an old cattle shed, and what we've gone past round behind, which I'll show you in a moment, was a charcoal burner's camp. This is a modern version of where the charcoal would be burned, and this is how it's done originally, creating stacks and then putting the logs up around the outside, covering with moss and soil, lighting a fire inside, and controlling the amount of air going in. And here's some of the finished product that's then being sieved. This one is a medieval cottage from Hangleton, Sussex. It's a reconstruction of a flint cottage, probably built around the 13th century, apparently. It's really cute. We'll have a look in. Oh yeah, I imagine that's been made in here before. Quite a close call. Oh, it's a close shave though. Of the trivet.
Look at the lake.
I'll put my mark on it anyway. My wife would say.
It's all my
You've got
work.
to come along and put your mark on it, haven't you? Right, there we are. Job done.
Well, we've had a lovely day here at the Weald and Downland Living Museum. We've almost finished. We've got a few more buildings to go and look around, but it's been a lovely day. We've really enjoyed it. It's been amazing just seeing how they've been able to transport these old working farm buildings or livable buildings from another location to here, brick by brick, recreating them and getting them looking as authentic as when they were originally in use. We're by the water mill, and this wasn't here in the first place either. They've gone and built a whole lake reservoir behind to create a water flow to get it working. It's really, really good. Excellent value for money. £15.50 per ticket entry. But we spent the whole day here, and it's been really relaxing and fantastic seeing how people used to work the land in the old days and the kind of conditions that they lived in. So thoroughly recommended. It's a really good day out. Well, there you go, folks. Hope you enjoyed our little trip around the Weald and Downland Living Museum. We certainly had a great day. We recommend you coming here and having a look for yourself. If you enjoyed it, then please, obviously, click the like button down below. We'd really appreciate it. Up next, we've got this video that we think you might enjoy, so take a look at that. And also, if you haven't done so already, then why not subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you get notified when I load up a new video. Well, thanks for watching, folks. Until next time, bye.